Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Wix Studio Animation. So here is an example work of mine. So we are going to go through a step-by-step process in order for us to add animation to our Wix website. So the first thing that we should do is to open any of our web browser. Then of course we have to visit the Wix Studio website and then make sure that you have logged into your Wix account. Okay, so to check that, just click on your profile right here at the top right of your screen and then select your account. Next thing that you should do is to select a website, or you can create a new site at the very top right of your screen. Okay, so just simply click on this one right here or select a site that you are going to use. So for example, this one. Okay, so I am going to use this existing website of mine and I'm going to add different animations to the different elements in this section. So for example, let us start with this first image. Okay, so this one. So just have to simply click on a specific element or image. And right here at the right side, just click on the animations and effects. Okay, and then right here we have the different animations. So we have entrance. So elements will animate when they enter into view. So to add an animation, just simply click on the add option. Then here would be able to see different animations that we can use. So we have fade, we have grid, we have shutters, slide, bounce, and more. So I think I'll be using this one. Okay, and then right here at the very bottom we have the adjust animation options. Just simply click on this one, then go to the directions we have from left, from right, from top, from bottom. So here we can preview this one. So we also have the number of parts, duration, and delay. So we can adjust these settings as well. So after that, we just have to go back right here and then let us try to add an animation to the other elements. So let us proceed to the next image. So here, just go to the animations and effects once again. Then I am going to add an animation for the entrance as well. So I think I'll be using this animation and go to the adjust animation. Okay, so I think everything is good. So I'm just going to preview the animation. Okay, so let me just go back here. And then after that, let us now proceed to the next element or next image and let us try to add a different animation. Okay, so we are going to use this movement. So the scroll, so we have the expand, shrink, spin, parallax, blur, and more. So here, I think I'm going to use this one. So for the direction from top, and then for the animation area is this one. Okay, so to see if it is working, just have to scroll down since this is a scroll animation. Okay, so when someone scroll down, it will trigger the animation. So let us go back right here and then let us proceed to the next image, so this one, and then let us try to add an animation for the loop. Okay, so click on the image and go to the loop, and then we are going to use this one. Okay, so we are going to find the best animation for this image. Okay, so I think the swing is good, so I'm just going to use that one. Then for the next image or element, I'm going to use the mouse effect. So moving the mouse triggers and effects of the selected elements. We're just going to add. And then here we have this one. We also have this animation. Okay, so as you can see, when I am moving the mouse, it is triggering the animation for this element. Okay, so if you found this kind of animation annoying, so you can leave this one. Okay, So here, when we previewed this one, we'd be able to see here all of our animations or all of the animations that we have applied to the different elements or images from our site. Okay, so just make sure that you're going to use the right and perfect animation for each element so it will not going to look like that. Okay, so now that we are done with adding animation to our existing site, we can now create a new site right here and then start from scratch or select Studio Blank Canvas. So right here, I already added the different images. I also have a title or text and a button. So I already added animations for this one as well. So let us try to customize this once again. So right here, if we click on this image, so when you go here on the effects and animation or animation and effects, so here we have this kind of animation for the entrance. I'm going to change this one. Okay, and then for this one as well, I'm going to add an entrance animation and use the same animation. Now for the title or for the text, I am going to use that kind of animation. And for the button, so here we have the loop. So we are using the swing and then go to adjust animation. So here we can preview if how the swing looks like. Okay, and then let's go back here and try to change the animation for our text or title. So let's go to this section and then let's use the same animation. And if you would like to add another animation, you can choose to add another element so you can try it out. So when adding different animation, there are things that you should consider. So avoid overusing animations, as too many moving elements can make a website feel cluttered and slow down loading times. So stick to the animating key components like call to action buttons, headers, or sections you want to highlight. Because each animation should serve a purpose. For example, a subtle fade in effect for text can help guide the viewer's eyes down the page, while a hover effect on a button can make it more enticing to click. And of course, to stay on brand. So animations should align with your brand's tone. If you have a playful brand, bounce effects might work well, while a more professional brand might prefer subtle fades or slides. So you gotta try out different animations and gather feedback so you may find that users respond better to certain effects. So don't be afraid to make adjustments based on user behavior and engagement. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.